Welcome to our YouTube channel, Mr. Mrs. Tutor. Today we will go through some essential questions related to General English. The topic which we have selected to focus in today's video is sentence completion. So let's get started. Question 1. I insisted blank my fee paid. A to have B on having, C to having, D in having. Correct answer is on having. Question 2. I am intent blank. A to win, B of winning, C on winning, D for winning. Correct answer is C on winning. Question 3. If I blank worked hard, I would have passed. A. Would have. B. Had. C. Should have. D. Have. Correct answer is B. Had. Question 4. You blank respect your parents and teacher. A. Should. B. Would. C. Should have. D. Would have. Correct answer is A. Should. Question 5. The child blank crying for 3 hours. A. Is. B. Has. C. Has been. D. Have been. Correct answer is C. Has been. Question 6. We blank friends since we were children. A. Had been. B. Have been. C. Are. D. Were. Correct answer is B. Have been. Question 7. If one knows the facts, one blank. Not be so quick to criticize. A. Could. B. Can. C. Would. D. Will. Correct answer is B. Can. Question 8. Whatever he does is always contrary blank my wishes. A. With. B. From. C. A to. D. For. Correct answer is C. A to. Question 9. I am astonished blank his behavior. A. To. B. From. C. With. D. On. Correct answer is C. With. Question 10. He told me that he was not familiar blank that subject. A. To. B. On. C. With. D. About. Correct answer is C. With. Question 11. In one fierce battle the enemy were completely wiped blank. A. Out. B. Off. C. Away. D. Over. Correct answer is A. Out. Question 12. All communication with outside world has been cut blank. A. Out. B. Away. C. Down. D. Off. Correct answer is D. Off.